Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to stop auto updates on Mac. So step one, click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings. Now make sure you are in this general page and then click on Software Update. And now next to automatic updates, you will see the current status. In my case, it is already turned off. So in your case, you will see on. So to turn it off or to stop auto updates, click on this little eye icons. This window will pop up, and here next to download new updates when available, turn this off. Same thing for install macOS updates, install application updates from the App Store, and also install security responses and system files. Make sure to turn off all of those automatic features and make sure to click on done. And just this way, you will stop automatic updates. And after that, just close this window and that's all. And this is how to stop auto updates on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.